What if I can help you create a successful YouTube channel with 3 simple tips without any fancy equipment? Hey guys, my name is Bill, and these days it seems like everyone has their own YouTube channel but are not making any money, which is a crying shame. And from it, let me share with you 3 of my secret tips so that you guys can make money with YouTube even if you're a complete newbie, no prior experience. And this is gonna work for anyone as long as you guys follow my 3 simple tips, right? So tip number 1, choosing the right niche. So niches such as crypto are trending, and picking up the right niche allows you to tap into a free-flowing audience to your channels. And it can be any kind of niches that are trending, that are hot. Cryptos, NFTs are hot, so these are the kind of direction that you may want to hit into, and it's going to be great for your channel, right? Tip number 2, have an engaging thumbnail. Captivating thumbnails captures the audience attention even before they click onto your video, and it also helps you to stand out from the other channel who has boring videos, boring thumbnails, which I'm very confident that you guys have seen plenty of time, or whenever you're scrolling from YouTube, those boring thumbnails ain't gonna get those clicks, alright? Now, tip number 3, keyword research. So finding the right keywords allows you guys to rank your videos on top of YouTube, which brings you guys tons of audience to your video without any need of for spending ads. And there's a misconception where people think, oh, you need to spend money on ads to make YouTube work and so on and so forth, but that is not true. Okay, I want to tell you guys that it's not true. There are plenty of ways that you guys can use my strategy to get tons of views to your channel and build it from the ground up. So again, you don't need any fancy equipment. All you need is just your mobile phone, like what I'm doing right now, and just maybe a ring light. That's probably the next investment that you may want to get, but which I will highly recommend, and it shouldn't cost you more than 50 bucks, I reckon. From Amazon, it's much cheaper if you have a promo code and whatnot. And you can also invest in a lav mic or just a pin-on mic if you guys want to. That is also very powerful, and that also works. But again, you guys can absolutely use my 3 simple tips to get onto the next level with your channel and start making results, getting leads, and so on and so forth. And maybe you guys are curious to know why YouTube, right? Let me tell you why. YouTube is the world's 2nd biggest search engine platform, just behind Google. And what do you know? Google owns YouTube, meaning if your videos are ranking on YouTube, there's a high chance that it's going to be ranking on Google. And essentially, because of it, you are tapping onto 2 of the world's biggest traffic source with just one single video. Imagine the amount of traffic, the attention, the branding, the brand awareness that you guys can make just by being able to rank videos. And again, what are the tips that I just shared with you guys? Again, number 1, it is about finding the right niche, right? Every niche will definitely have someone or some channel who has already come into the scene and start talking and explaining. That's completely fair, but that does not mean you do not have the chance, right? That is where you see you guys have to find the right type of keywords, combine it with the right thumbnail, so externally your video looks interesting, internally you have the right keywords and tools to be ranking on top. And that is a very simple way to make money or make any results, lead gen, anything with YouTube, okay? And this is really powerful. Myself and my partners and my colleagues, my friends, however I want to call them, we are all getting results from YouTube whenever we post a video, either via monetized videos like this one, and or just posting a review, posting tip value video, getting leads coming in, and so much more. Right? So if you guys want to know more about affiliate marketing tips, make money online tricks, do subscribe to our channel in this channel, because my partner and I, Sora, we're sharing amazing content that you guys will absolutely love. And we have it all planned out where we are going to share full tutorial, some tips video, and maybe some of the products of the day, product of the week kind of video, where we realize that a lot of people are actually interested to know what are the hot topics for the week when it comes to affiliate marketing, Warrior Plus, and more like those, right? So again, always feel comfortable dropping your recommendation, your suggestion on what you guys want to know more, what you guys want to hear more, see more from us, and we will do our best to deliver those content to you guys, either via like a tip video like this, if not a full-on tutorial, a full masterclass that we will be sharing with you guys for free, because on YouTube we don't charge you to watch our videos. We just produce good content, good quality informative content, share with you guys, and our only ambition, our hope is that you guys can benefit from this information that we want to put it out for you guys, so you guys can receive maximum amount of value and be able to see results even if you're a complete newbie or you do not know how to start or where to start. This kind of videos, informative videos, is what we aim to deliver to you guys, so you guys can find a right footing. And again, if you guys wanna work with us, all right, you can reach out to us privately. My partner and I will be more than happy to walk you through mentorship, but it is by qualifications only, meaning you chat with us, maybe jump on the call, and if we determine that you are the right kind of people that we want to work with, we will welcome you with open arms. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I hope this 3 tips video give you guys a good idea on how to essentially get results from YouTube, either make money, lead generation, build your brand, and the significance of YouTube, how it can benefit you as a business owner, as a affiliate, as a marketer, and so much more. Right? So again, before I sign you guys off, I will appreciate a like, share, subscribe to my video. Check out our other videos from our channel. Again, we post full tutorials and we upload very regularly, so do subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because again, we are always putting up value content just for you guys. All right, so my name is Bill. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a nice one, and until next time, I'll speak to you guys real soon. Cheers, take care.